Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumit Kumar and we are going to continue our Pandas playlist. So we have already learned how to create data frame, what is series and what is different between iloc and loc. So today I will tell you what is the indexing in the Pandas. So in Pandas, an index or in the simple meaning index is index would be unique identifier for each row. Okay, if you have one table, then your index should be the for each row there will be one unique identifier. So if you have not created any, by default if you create data frame, let's suppose that I have created data frame here. So let me just print. So by default there will be, it will create label of each row, label for each row, and this each label is nothing but index. So by default Pandas will create unique identifier, but in Pandas does not actually enforce index being unique. What does mean is, if you will not keep this index is unique, means if it is same also, then also there will be no problem in Pandas, but it should be unique. Why? Because it will help us to accessing and selecting and manipulating the data efficiently. If it is unique, then you can select it very efficiently, and the unique means it should be hashable. So in Python there is a concept called hashable. So if your index is hashable, then there will be one unique identifier, unique number will be created for that. And if you want to select particular things, let's suppose that I will create index for name. So if this is uniqueness, so directly with the name you can select the data. I will show you practically, but what the meaning of index, I am explaining it in the simple meaning. If you are opening any book, so let's suppose that this is the book, and here this is the index. Each chapter is nothing but index here. What is benefit of this is, whenever I want to go to chapter Sri Lanka affair, so click here, we can go there directly here. So it will be very easy to navigate through the book pages if you are having the index. So you can just treat index and try to understand index using index of the book as well. So if you are creating index on your data frame, so it will help you to select particular things from the using the index from the data frame. So you hope you have understanding what is the index is and what is the benefit of index. Again I will first I will show you all the how to create index and everything, and then at the end I will tell you what is the features of creating index if you are using Pandas data frame. Okay, so by default if you're not creating any index, so there will be 0 1 2 3 4. This is the number ranges from 0, it will attach to the data frame. But if you want to create index, then there is method called set index. So df dot set index, and I want to create index on name. So just create index for name. So you can see, so now there will be name is nothing but the index, and this is Sumit, Amit, all those things is the label and index for each row. Okay, so what is the benefit? If I want to select directly, I want to get data for Sumit only, so I can directly select this video using loc. So this is the advantage of loc and iloc, what we have learned in the last class. So here is the advantage. So now if you say, if you do here df, it will not show here. Why? Because by default it will not change in the same data frame, it will just create it and keep it temporary. So if you want to change the current data frame, so there is method called in place. You have to put here in place this property in place, and you have to put here true. So if you put in place true, then the current data frame will change. Okay, that's what I was telling you. So now this is the use of iloc. So if you see here iloc, and you can just pass here Sumit. Okay, just pass here Sumit, so you can get the data for Sumit. But if you want, if you do this iloc and this Sumit, you will not get data. This is the difference type error you will get. So this is the different iloc and loc. So that's why I have already taught you what is the difference between iloc and loc. If you want to learn more about this, you can go and watch my previous video. Okay, so hope you are understanding the difference between iloc and loc, and what is indexing is and how to use the indexing. Okay, and what I was telling is, if it is, let's suppose that this is not unique, then also you can use it. This is, there is no problem. Okay, let's suppose that I'm keeping this Sumit to Amit to Sumit here, and I will create index. See, it is creating, there will be no error. But if you are going to create index, so you should choose the column that is unique. Okay, like email id or employee id, all those things will be unique. So you have to select create index on those column only. It will be help you in order to access data in the future. Okay, that's what I was telling. So now if you want to select Sumit, it will give you two rows. Okay, so that's what. Now I will delete this one and I will just summarize again what is the index is and what is the benefit of index. So what we have learned is if you create any data frame and by default if you're not giving any index, so by default numerical index will be attached to that from 0 1 2 3 like that, and Panda will create it automatically. What is the benefit of this? This is label based accessing. It allow you to use label and access it using loc. So I have already told you how you can use loc and give the name and you can get it. So this is the first advantage, and it will be a second advantage is faster data retrieval. So if you create custom index, so pandas can perform data retrieval and manipulation faster as it can use hash table to look up data. Okay, so it will create the hash table for each and every indexes, and whenever you are passing the particular value, it will go and go to the hash table and just take the data from there, and it won't go row by row, it will directly go to that value and it will fetch the data. So that will be faster data retrieval. And third one will be easier merging and joining. Let's suppose that you have to join two or multiple data frame. So if you create custom index, the merging and joining them, it will be straightforward and efficient. Okay, so that and all is the benefit of pandas indexing. So hope you have understand what is the indexing is. So thank you very much, thank you for watching. Keep watching this video, and I will come with some more video on pandas, some real time problem solving example. So thank you for watching. So keep watching, and if you are liking this video, please like it and subscribe it and share it with your friend. Hope you have understand this thing.